Hello friends, we are back with another chess puzzle video, and in this video what you have to do is you are playing as white and you have to checkmate the black king in 3 moves. Uh, Please note that it is already winning for white, but the challenge is to find the mate in 3 moves. So there can be a lot of possible options to win this game, but the key is to find the mate in 3 moves. So I'll give you a couple of seconds and then we'll see the solution. So hope you have found those 3 moves. So let's see the solution here is bishop c4. Yes, no matter what black plays from here, white will win in 2 moves. Let's see. First, you have to note that you cannot play f6 as the pawn is pinned. So let's consider g6. If black play g6, then you will capture this pawn, and the only square for king is f8, and then we will simply play queen g8, and this is checkmate, right? Now, if black doesn't play g6 and play king f8 instead, then again you will capture this pawn, and if king tries to escape, say king h7, then queen h5 is checkmate. King has nowhere to go, right? We have covered g6 and king f8. Let's say if black tries to play an arbitrary move like push this pawn or this pawn, one and the same thing. We have to capture this pawn and king f8, then queen g8 is checkmate. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, then please give us your like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel for amazing chess content. Stay safe, stay happy.